Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing this electric cleaning brush, grill cleaning brush by Vayepro. It's the model PRC-01. Here's the brush right here. I've already used it a little bit on my grill. As you can see, this side's a lot dirtier than this side. You really got this side cleaned up very well. Got a nice brush head on there. You can remove it, clean it. You don't want to clean the main unit. Again, it's electric. Got a battery in there. It's got a nice flashlight on there. You can turn on and off, clean at night. There's the spinning action. Comes with a little USB-C charger, a carrying case, and the instructions here. It tells you the specifications. Charges about 3 to 4 hours, runs for 120 minutes. As you can see, guys, this side of my grill is all nice and shiny. This side still has a lot of caked on carbon, as well as you can see there, like there's some rusty or some carbon food spots. So let's go ahead and get this thing running. We'll clean this side now. Let's see if we can get that off there. It's about the dirt and dust coming off now. I find it works kind of best at this 45-degree angle. Lots of stuff coming off. Getting probably years of carbon buildup off of this grill. And I've washed this. This has gone through the dishwasher. Again, there's still a lot of stuff on it. You gotta do a little hand cleaning. This thing does a really good job of getting it nice and shiny. Nice and clean. Really happy with how this is coming out right now. As you guys can see there, got all that nastiness cleaned off. Really happy with this product, guys. I'll put a link down below where you can check one out. But I highly recommend picking one up. It's the grilling time of the year, time to get your grill on. You're gonna want a clean grill. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. Again, I'll put a link down below where you can pick one of these up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you all next time.